We have the t-shirts back in stock, my darlings. What is delayed is not denied. We have it in blue since you loved it so very much indeed, my darlings. You better go ahead and get your t-shirt before it sells out, because I just might go ahead and do a yellow t-shirt for you and an orange t-shirt. You have to bear in mind, Baby Girl is a small brand. We are self-funding here, so I can only do so much. But yes, the t-shirt is back and I am living and loving. I also have a surprise for you. Yes. You asked and I said, why not? We have brought the black t-shirt back. What is delayed is not denied. Are we living and loving? Alrighty. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Baby, I have some news for you. Fumi Nation, thank you very much. Let me just wear some lipstick because, you know, sometimes like this, I just feel like I gotta touch her. Okay. Alrighty. So, I haven't fully recovered from Ashlee Jenae. I really have not. And Fumi Nation sent me this, and I was absolutely shocked and speechless, because Ashlee Jenae's fiancé, he's starting a foundation in honor after she died by do on trip, days after an engagement. He is starting a foundation in her honor. Let me read. Hold on, let me just see if I even have... Okay, let me just read. So it says here, her death will not be in vain and her legacy will be preserved, Joe Mccann said while announcing his plans for a non-profit. Ashlee Jenae's fiancé is sharing his plans to honor the influencer's legacy. In a new interview with none other than TMZ, published on Saturday, 13th of June, Joe Mccann revealed that he is starting a non-profit foundation with the mission of preventing self-harm. The non-profit, he said, will be dedicated to his late content creator fiancé, whose legal name was Ashlee Robinson, and specifically to preserving her legacy. Robinson passed away on the 9th of April while she was vacationing with Mccann on the island of Zanzibar in Tanzania. She was 31. We know this. The Portland-based influencer's death garnered international interest after police said they were questioning Mccann and had temporarily withheld his travel documentation amid the investigation into her death. Though he was never accused of any wrongdoing, Zanzibar police force later announced on the 4th of June that her death had been ruled a suicide. When the official findings were announced, I felt a deep sense of renewed pain, but also purpose, Mccann told TMZ while discussing his plans for a foundation honoring his late fiancé. Ashlee's story needs to be told so we can honor and cherish what she brought to this world, he said. Her death will not be in vain and her legacy will be preserved. Mccann appeared frequently on Robinson's Instagram, but she never appeared on yours. Not once, Joe Mccann, did this fiancé of yours appear on your Instagram page. On Twitter, on TikTok, on YouTube, whatever platform you had. She never appeared once. This is, anyway, where she shared a range of lifestyle content and had more than 88,000 followers when she died. Just days before her death, the couple had gotten engaged. In his new interview with TMZ, Mccann said he wished he could have elevated Robinson's deep mental anguish and said he believes her legacy will continue to have impact for years to come. I wish I could have brought her over from the darkness into the light, he said. Mccann will share more details and an official announcement about the foundation soon. according to TMZ, your loyal and forever TMZ. I'm not flattering. Hours after authorities revealed Robinson's cause of death, Mccann shared a lengthy statement acknowledging that his fiancée had died by suicide, which he said does not lessen the tragedy of her death. I miss Ashlee every moment of every day, and the pain of being without her will never go away. A sudden loss for this magnitude is not something I can simply get over, he wrote. My priorities all along were getting Ashlee home and cooperating with the authorities to ensure that the truth would be revealed. I wish to express my deepest gratitude to the dedicated men and women of Tanzania Police Force for their professional, sensitive, and thorough investigation. He had previously discussed her death on social media on the 5th of May, nearly a month after she died on their tropical vacation. Publicly addressing her death for the first time in a statement shared on X, Mccann wrote, "There are no adequate words to describe the total devastation, emptiness, and shock I feel after losing my best friend, confidant, and fiancée, Ashlee Jenae Robinson. As a father myself, I am also heartbroken for Ashlee's parents, Yolanda, Andres, and Harry Robinson." He continued in part, "Devoted fans knew Ashlee through her charismatic online persona, Ashlee, but the person I loved was Ashlee, a woman who embodied the virtues of compassion, empathy, kindness, generosity, and love. A nurturing presence, Ashlee cared deeply for the people closest to her, which to my eternal gratitude included me." I don't understand you, Joe. And I don't understand why you did this. I'm very, very, very serious. I have questions. And I'm just going to try to be objective. This is a woman who passed away. This is a woman whom, on a global scale, there were questions about you. You, and I'll give you the comfort of, say, go and have your interview with your best friends over at TMZ. Have a sit-down interview and talk about what happened. Whether we're going to believe you or not, it's very necessary. So that way, we can have an understanding. We can have a huge understanding of what happened in Tanzania. Because you're just giving us these statements, but you haven't come out and spoken on behalf of Ashlee because you were the last person to see her alive once you had taken her from the United States of America. Just to give us an insight that she was happy, that she was this. How long have you known her? How did you guys meet? Why was she not on your Instagram? Why was she not on your TikTok? Why did you get engaged to her? How you proposed to her? Where is the ring? All these questions. I'm just gently saying it would have been something that I think one would have assumed, instead of just jumping into a foundation you want to have in her name. Did you cross-check with her parents? Did you speak to the mother? Did you call the mother again and again and again? Instead of saying she left me on read. Ashlee passed away. You were the last person to have seen her outside of the United States of America. It's not as if to say you were holding the coffin and came off of the plane with the coffin. I will give that credit to Erica Kirk. She came off a plane and her husband's coffin was being pulled out. You could not have suggested and said, keep her and let's go home together because I brought her here. It's just normal questions. Instead, you're coming out here talking about, I want to keep her legacy alive. Who asked you? We did not ask for this. Last time I checked, we're still grieving. We have been, it's just dropped for us to say that, you know what, it was suicide. Autopsy, nowhere in sight the last time I checked. Her personal belongings, nowhere in sight the last time I checked. Her phone plus phone logs, nowhere in sight. CCTV, I'm still looking for. If this was my daughter, what an audacity of you. The audacity of you to come out talking about you want to come out and have a foundation in her name. Oh, you really take us to be fools. It's incomplete. And we should just cream over it. And all of a sudden now, you're the knight in shining armor. And you want to keep her name alive. Do you not know that if it wasn't for Ashlee, nobody would have known who you are? Do you know that? Do you know the wishy-washy way in which this has all been displayed publicly leaves a very bad taste in everybody's mouth? Or are you that tone deaf? Oh, God, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. It doesn't make sense. It's a very stupid thing for you to say and do at this time. People, it's not even 6 months. It's not even a year. I say that because a good friend of mine passed away a year ago. 27th of May to be exact. And I was sitting here because I reached out to my phone because I wanted to call her. And I had to pull my hand back. I spoke to her husband, her daughter, and I still can't believe that she's gone. I still can't believe it. I can't even believe that it's a year since Ogali is gone. I can't believe it. It hurts to my bone marrow. I knew her since I was 21, maybe even younger. Yeah. Younger. TMZ, I'm not understanding. I don't understand this Joe Mccann relationship you have. Unless it's just money across the board. We don't want a foundation from you. I'm speaking for everybody, yes. We don't want nothing from you. We want you to go and sit down where we don't have to see you for now, so that we can digest everything that has gone on for the past 2.5 months. A whole human being, from her parents have testified, showed no signs that she was not mentally okay. Showed no signs. We have Zanzibar coming out here talking about, oh, on her phone, you could see that on her chat GPT, that she was looking at how to do this and do that. Show us the text messages. Show us the searches. You've not shown us anything. You're just telling us. That's hearsay. You can't even bring that into court. It will be thrown out. Give us something concrete. Then I can say, okay, because I want it to be very clear as for you to understand. I am not saying that Ashlee might not have deleted herself. The possibility could be true. two things can be true. That she went out there with you and she just got really depressed and decided to do this. I want proof. Because so far, from the wardrobe to the butler to the busboy to the room to all of this, we have had nothing. They have given us nothing. Not even CCTV. Nothing. We only have pictures of what Ashlee put up on her Instagram plus videos as proof that she even went to Zanzibar. That's all we got. We have not gotten anything from you. Fumi Nation, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, drop it down in the comments, and let's get this conversation popping. I'm irritated because the last news, I even refused to cover it. I refused to cover it. What is this? Actually, you're talking about, oh, ChatGPT shows that. I refuse to cover it. I'm not doing this for views or for clickbait. This girl passed away. And we don't know anything. And I got so much heat from all sides. But I was only looking and searching the truth. Then here you come now, talking about, I would like to have a foundation. Is it because the crypto business is no longer profitable? Now you want to talk about non-profit. You know what? I gotta go. Guys, I'll see you sooner than later. Yes, I'm a little bit upset. What nonsense is this?
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking